dreams, my hopes, my future.
Were Obi.
Let my heart belong to you. I have carried many burdens. I have walked through many roads, searching for a place of refuge, searching for a heart like yours. I have seen the world around me. I have watched the seasons change, but your love has stayed beside me. Your faithfulness remains. So I bring my heart before you, nothing hidden, nothing sealed. Every wound and every question, every dream I have concealed. You already know my story. You have seen my every tear. So I give you all my heart now, knowing you will hold it dear.
Take away my fear.
Take away my pride.
Take away my pride.
Teach me how to follow you and keep you by my side. Let my heart be yours completely. Let my life reveal your grace. Every day that I am breathing, let me seek your holy face. Were Obi M,
Chukwu.
Wendumile,
Were Obi M. Chukwu.
Wendumile,
Were Obi M. Chukwu.
Wendumile.
Were Obi M.
Take my dreams,
Take my plans.
take my future in your hands. I surrender everything, for I know you understand.
Were Obi M.
My heart belongs to you. Take the dreams that I have carried, even those I cannot explain. If they lead me far from you, Lord, take them from my hands again. Give me dreams that honor heaven. Give me courage to obey. When I cannot see tomorrow, teach me how to trust your way. Take my laughter
And my sorrow.
take my victories and fears.
Take the memories behind me.
Take the hopes of coming years. Make my heart a place of worship.
Make my life a living song.
When the road becomes uncertain, keep me faithful, keep me strong.
Were Obi M.
Oh,
Chukwu.
Wendumile,
Were Obi M.
Chukwu, Wendumile,
Were Obi M. Chukwu.
Wendumile.
Were Obi M.
When I'm happy, I will praise you.
When I'm happy.
I will praise you.
When I'm weary.
I will trust you.
Every season.
Every moment I will place my life in you. Obi M.
My heart belongs to you.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Were Obi M. Were Obi M. Were Obi M.
Chukwu. Chukwu. Chukwu.
Take it long.
Chukwu. Chukwu. Chukwu.
Were Obi M.
Chukwu. Chukwu.
Were Obi M.
Were Obi M.
When my heart begins to wander, call me gently back to you. When distractions fill my vision, let your light come shining through. I don't want to chase the treasures that can disappear someday. I would rather have your presence than the riches of the world. For what good is earthly glory if my heart is far from you? What is all the world worth having if I lose the love that's true? So I choose you every morning, I choose you when evening comes. With each breath that you have given, let my heart remain your home. Take my heart,
Even the broken pieces,
take my heart,
even the parts I hide,
take my
the
heart,
dreams I fear to surrender,
take my heart.
make it yours tonight.
I don't want to hold anything that keeps me far from you. I don't want my own direction if it isn't guided by you. So take my hands, take my voice, take my thoughts, take my choice. Let everything within me bring glory to your name. Hey!
I have tried to carry everything myself.
But I don't have to anymore.
You know the weight I carry.
You know the things I cannot say. You know the dreams inside me.
You know the fears inside me.
So here I am,
Nothing to prove,
nothing to hide,
nothing to pretend.
just my heart. Take it, Lord. Take it. Oh, oh, oh.
Where are we?
I have carried many burdens. I have walked through many roads, searching for a place of refuge, searching for a heart like yours. I have seen the world around me, I have watched the seasons change, but your love has stayed beside me, your faithfulness remains. So I bring